Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I know you had a fantastic 4th of July, a nice 3-day weekend, and we're back. This video is coming at you on a Sunday night for trading, Sunday through Monday, July 7th, 2025. Please remember that trading involves a lot of risk, risky. Never trade without protective stops, and always put those protective stops in first before you enter into a live position. Traders, what are we looking at? The E-mini S&P looks fantastic as of when we left before the holiday, right? The last trading day looked fantastic. The markets look great, but the Omni has a rule that we live by. We do not trade the day coming in after a 3-day holiday weekend. No trades today. We are going to let the crazies who feel that they have this FOMO because we were off for 3 full days in a row. Oh my God, it was closed Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and they want to get in. Well, we're not going to compete with them. We're not going to trade with them. We let the lunatics come back, and then we pick up the pieces on Monday night and see what this looks like for trading Monday night through Tuesday. So the Omni will issue no trades today on Monday. Just wanted to remind you of that. It's an Omni trading rule. We do this for every major holiday. If it's a 3-day weekend, we do not trade the day coming back from that 3-day weekend. Markets do look great. I would say that we're buyers of pullbacks. We'll find out on Monday's close what the Omni wants us to do Monday night. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll be in my free live trading room. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Don't you worry about it. Have no FOMO because we'll be in and we'll find a great trade on Monday night for trading on Tuesday. I will speak to you all during the day Monday in my trading room. I will see you there. Have a great week trading, OMNIACS.